Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can use right after watching this video. And for this strategy, we are going to use an indicator that is called ADX. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from some paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you, then only use it in your real account. And guys, after watching this video, if you think this video was helpful for you, then please make sure to like this video. I only ask that thing in return from you. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair that you want to make trade on, and then select this and select the candles and select the time frame S5 so that all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. After that, you need to, if there is a flag, just make it clock and then click on here and select this S5. And in case if you are not seeing this S5 at here, that means that currency pair is not allowing you to trade on 5-second time frame. And then decide the amount that you want to invest. Once you have done this much, then you can see this is the indicator that is called ADX. Let me put it back again. To put this ADX indicator, just click on here and click on ADX and then click on this pencil icon and then go to styles and make all of these 2px in this way and then click on save. So once you have done this much, now it's time for you to make trade with ADX indicator. So now what you need to do is, you can see there are 3 lines. You can just enlarge this ADX indicator by clicking on here, okay, decrease or increase this, and you can notice that there is this red line. This is the important line that you need to notice. So whenever this red line starts to move straight to upward direction, that is the place where, that is the signal where you need to start to make trade. Okay, so now let's say this is going upward, okay, and this blue line is above this yellow line, okay, far from this yellow line, then this is the signal where you can start to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so let me show you another also. So let's see where the red line, okay, so here you can see similarly there is another place, okay, like red line is, they have start to move upward, okay, but yellow line have started to move upward and blue line is below. Okay, so that means it is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so let's say for example you have made 5 to 6 trade low in lower direction, then most of your trade would go right in this case. Okay, so let's see in another example also. Okay, so here is one good example. So red line have started to move in upward direction and blue line have started to move upward direction. So that means now this is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, all of this place, and let's say you made 5-6 trade, then most of your trade would go right, because you can see most of these are green candles instead of red candles. Okay, similarly let's see at another place. So ignore this trade whenever this line is flat or not moving in any direction. Okay, this red line. So let's say again, here is the straight upward movement of this red line. Okay, so whenever this line has started to form and you see that blue line is also going up, now that is the signal where you can make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and most of your trade would go right. Similarly, let's see in another place for yellow line. Okay, so here is another good example. So whenever this red line has started to move upward and yellow line has also started to move upward, okay, far from this blue, then this is the signal where you can make trade by clicking on lower. So it is as simple as this to trade with ADX indicator. However, you cannot be 100% of the time right, so you can use a money management strategy so that you don't make lots of losses instead of profit. Okay, so now I'll show you by placing a trade. So as you can see, red line is above. Okay, so it is not giving us a proper signal. Let me see in any other. No, so let's see. No, no, no. Let's see in this. So what I will do is, let's wait. Okay, so let's say it has started to move in upward direction and yellow line is also going upward. So this is the signal where you can make trade by clicking on lower, right? So let's 1 second. So now I'll make a trade at here, and most probably this trade is going to go right because we have traded according to our signal. But I have traded in 1 minute time frame. Sorry for that. I need to select the 5-second time frame at here, but I did a mistake at here. Anyways, in this way you can make trade and make profits with ADX indicator. So 17 remaining. So let's wait and see this trade closed, and then I'll leave. 6 5 4 3 2 1, and we made a profit with this indicator. So that's it guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.